To gain access to the turn signals, first remove the headlight. Then disconnect the terminals. Slide a box end wrench over the nut. Loosen the nut, then remove the nut and start washer. And slide the turn signal from the bracket. Repeat the same procedure for the other side. For assembly, slide the wires through the bottom bracket. Set the turn signal into place. Slide the start washer over the wires, and then the nut. Thread the nut on, hand tighten, and torque to spec. Then terminate the wires into their associated plugs. Repeat this process for the other side.